Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned carrots taste good. First, drain and rinse your canned carrots very well to wash away that metallic taste and extra sodium. Next, pat them dry with a paper towel. This helps them absorb flavors better. Then, heat a large skillet over medium heat with a little butter or oil, preparing for the next steps to transform their taste. Now, let's add some delicious flavor. For a sweeter profile, stir in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar or maple syrup. A small pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg can also enhance their natural sweetness beautifully. Continue cooking, stirring occasionally, until the carrots are tender crisp and begin to caramelize slightly, bringing out their best qualities. If you prefer a savory approach, start by sautéing the carrots in 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil. Then, add minced garlic and fresh herbs such as parsley or dill for a vibrant aroma. Finish by seasoning with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of onion powder to create a truly satisfying side dish. For an even deeper flavor, try roasting your carrots at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until they are slightly browned and tender. You can also combine them with other vegetables, like peas or green beans, to create a colorful and nutritious medley. And for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. These simple methods will help you enjoy canned carrots in a whole new way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.